how to use DJI Thermal Analysis Tool 3. But first, what is DJI Thermal Analysis Tool? DJI Thermal Analysis Tool 3 is a powerful software for analyzing thermal images captured by DJI drones. Quickly visualize heat, patterns, measure temperatures, adjust parameters, and generate professional reports with your own logo.
All in few clicks.
First, go to DJI website, download Thermal Analysis Tool 3 and install it on your computer. Next, open the software and import your thermal images or a full folder captured by your DJI thermal drone. Choose the image that you want to inspect. You can change the thermal palette to be better visualize heat differences and adjust the thermal temperature range for more accurate analysis. For example, you want white hot, fulgurite, iron red, hot iron, medical, arctic, rainbow 1, rainbow 2, tint, black hot. But for this video, we will use the iron red. On this right side, you can adjust the temperature based on your preferences. From the left side, you have different tools here. But first, I will show you how spot temperature works. So I put here spot temperature. It will show 34.1 Celsius, spot 2 28.4 Celsius, and spot 3 30.9 Celsius. So you can also delete from mouse using right click, then choose delete. Change the font size from large, medium, and small. For the location, you can change the location of the number. It will show from right, or you want left, center, or you want to hide it. In this square temperature, you can also change the location, right, left, center, or hide based on your preferences. Also, you can change the font size of it. The blue dot is the minimum value of the temperature, which is 32.5 Celsius. The average in this subject is 33.6 Celsius, and the red dot is the maximum value of the temperature, which is 34.8 Celsius. As you can see, I also created another example here. Let's try to compare these two panels. These two panels is having different colors because they are having different temperatures. Next, we have circular tool, which I will use to measure the temperature in this circle subject. The final tool is the line temperature measurement, commonly used for applications such as power line temperature inspection. In this example, I'll simply show the output result. In this section, you can adjust parameters such as distance, humidity, emissivity, reflected temperature, and ambient temperature to improve the accuracy of your thermal inspection. In this section, you can view the image information including the drone model, serial number, focal length, F number, image size, dates, and coordinates. You can also add annotations and remarks. Now, let's export the report. In this tab, you can add your own logo, customize the header, and choose to export the report as a PDF, doc, or image. This is the generated PDF report. Here, you can see all the measurements, parameters, and image information that we set earlier. This type of report can be shared with engineers or data analysts for further analysis. And that's how you quickly analyze DJI thermal images using Thermal Analysis Tool 3. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact us at sales@aerosmart.ae. I am Tristan, your DJI Solutions Engineer. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.